The first item in the box was the divider. The divider is an add-on that you can put in the center of the board to give you privacy. And you can see it has inverted colors on each side with the Trap Chest logo. It has these little slots on the side. And for those slots, you put in these standees, and then it's able to stand upright. Right now, if you put down $1, you'll get a free divider included with your Trap Chest purchase. It's sold as an add-on. The purpose of the divider is to give you privacy during setup, which actually unlocks some additional game modes. Up next, we have the Trap Chest box. So I'll show you the box here. You have all the pieces on the front. Start at the sides, you see the Trap Chest logo, XPlayce logo. XPlayce is the company that is selling Trap Chests. And then on the back, we have all the additional information. You have all the pieces on this side. It's missing a dart that's going to go here and here, but it is listed on the box itself. That's going to come with that. Down here it says it's printed by AdMagic, and it talks a little bit about what Trap Chest is up here. Next up, I'll open the box and show you everything that's inside. Okay, I removed the shrink wrap, so now let's take the top off. It slides off pretty well. It's a little tight, which is great because it makes it easier to store and you know pieces won't fall out. Then we have the game board on top. So there's a couple changes to the game board from the last prototype. You can see that there's coordinates around the edges. Now, I have them all facing inwards, but my friend brought up that then people might not be able to see the coordinates as well. So I might flip those before the final product is shipped, but I'll let you know that as it gets closer to that. So that's the game board. Now we'll go inside. We have some of the other components. Here are the landmines. So you've seen these before. They go on the board, they hide on the chessboard. So if your opponent lands on a landmine with the appropriate piece, they lose that piece. Here are some chessboard squares. So these are blank on one side with the logo on the other side. That matches the back of the landmines, so you can't tell a difference between the chessboard square and the landmines. These are the components that go inside the backs of the chess pieces. You can see they have the little spot there. Those are the chess piece traps. These are actually the blanks for the chess piece traps. So if you don't have a divider to hide during setup, like where you're hiding things, you can put these behind and your opponent won't know if you put a blank behind a chess piece or an actual trap. Here are the chess pieces, so they pop out nicely, and here you go. Looks just like the old chess piece, and it's going to have the standee with it as well. The standee should be in here. Here's more chess pieces. And then I'm gonna flip this up, upside down. Yep, we have more chess pieces, and here are the standees. Here's another change that was made to the board. So each piece has its own standee. So like this one will go with the king. So if I pop out a king, like that. Let's do the black king actually, because that one goes to the black king. Pop out the black king like that. I can slide it behind. Now this change is specifically so if you're watching a game or spectating from the side, you can tell what each piece is. You'll notice on my channel that you might not be able to tell because the standees before were not color coded, but now you know this is the king because it has the pink for the king color. Here it is all set up. Here's the side view, so I'll show you the side. There's a rook, you can tell because of the green color on the side, and that's there for all the pieces as I mentioned. And now we'll put a divider in the middle so you can see the front of the divider and the back, and I put the standee slots in the divider, so now it sits right in the middle and you can have privacy with setup. That helps when you want to play a different game mode, as there are quite a few different game modes for Trap Chest. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to stay in touch. Also, please let me know your thoughts on Trap Chest and any questions you may have.